As you're out traveling and going about, you don't always have the pleasure of having great audio whenever recording on your smartphone. So in today's video, we may have you covered as we're going to be checking out this wireless microphone that is very easy to set up and connect to your smartphone. So opening up the box, we have this kind of white paper on top to protect the microphone itself. And then we have the case, which is very nice. Looks like a very, again, premium product. I'm never surprised by Lewinner's products. Now this does have a USB-C charger, which is very nice because a lot of people have USB chargers, whether you're using a MacBook, a smartphone that takes it or whatever. So that's very nice. But in case you don't already have a cord, they do have one right in here in this nice little box right there. And then pulling apart the box, you then have the user manual. So first, I'm gonna be telling you guys how to set this guy up, which is very easy. All right, so here is the microphone itself. It's just a little clip-on mic, which is super nice. Looks very, very nice. And then we have the adapter itself that connects to the smartphone. Now, another cool thing about this case is that it charges this device whenever it's stored away. And so if you want to charge the microphone, you just plug it into the case and then you can charge both at the same time. So I think what I'm actually gonna do is replace this camera over here with my smartphone. All right, so I have the phone over here and I have the microphone turned on. It was super easy to set up. Literally, all I done was plug the adapter into the bottom of the phone. The light turned on, which let me know that it is connected. And now we have the microphone here. All I'm gonna do is clamp it on my shirt. Just like I do want to do another test. I want to open it up in Moment because you do get a little bit more of a control on how loud you want the audio to be, because this audio that I'm recording right now could very well be peaking out. I'm not sure. So let's open up the Moment app and see what we can find. All right guys, so we're now recording in the Moment app. I have tweaked the audio settings so it should be at a pretty good level, not clipping or anything like that. And again, how does the audio sound compared to the Rode Go Wireless 2? I don't know why I have such a hard time trying to say that. But yeah, here's a comparison between both mics. How do they sound? How do they sound? How do they sound? And how do they sound? So again, I think that this is a great solution for using on the road, but also if you're trying to move around and do some talking videos, or maybe you're trying to even record in a studio, you can use your smartphone for your A camera and be able to move around freely and get great audio.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Frank with Frankly Everything, and today I'm going to be doing a product review on a wireless lavalier microphone from the guys over at lewinner. Something that you should know is that this microphone is actually for the iPhone or the iPad. Now, I don't normally make videos using my iPhone because I have an older iPhone, but for anybody that's looking to vlog or make YouTube videos, this is actually an amazing option. One of the first things that I really enjoyed is the case. Now, the case actually works as a charger as well for the microphone. The mic is really simple. You plug in the receiver and then the mic is good to go, no apps required. The mic is also really great for noise cancellation. That was one of the first things that I noticed in going back and reviewing those videos, is it actually worked really well to be able to cancel out background noise. So I'm out here in the woods and this is technically bear country, so I'm also kind of keeping a sharp lookout. All right, so here's just a simple test to hear the difference. What I have is the iPhone with the mic attached to it, and then in the other mic I have the GoPro, the external mic, and I wanted to do a sound comparison check. So in a previous video, I absolutely love the Movo mic. However, there's a lot of people who do their videos from their iPhones, their iPads. The sound quality on this is amazing. The second thing that I noticed was the size of the microphone. It's really small, coming in at 1.8 inches. Some of the great features about this is a 60-foot wireless transmission. If you use your iPad or your iPhone for your vlogging or your YouTube videos, this is actually a great option. I would highly recommend.